Good morning. As yesterday Christiana hurt her toe and she can barely walk today. It may be broken because it's quite swollen. We may just go to the beach, chill over there, and maybe just wander around the island with our scooter and find some cool spots. This is the main port, and you can see the water is really clear. Beautiful sunny day, and we're just going to see a bit of the local life. We just stopped for lunch. I'm having my favorite Indonesian dish. It's called nasi campur. It's a mixture of everything. You've got some fish, you've got some chicken, you've got some chilies, you've got some soybeans, coconut, peanuts, more fish, omelets. You've got it all. And you, Christian, what are you having?
Mie kuah, noodle soup.
Noodle soup. Hello. Nasi campur. It's the best Indonesian dish. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it's a mixture of everything here. Very nice. Thank you.
Where are you from? Portugal.
Portugal. Yes. So we drove about an hour east of the coast, but we couldn't find any like proper sandy beach. We found this one. It's a bit rocky, and we're just gonna head back now. Bintang, Indonesia's national beer. We need the whole drink. Cheers! So we came down to a clinic as Christiana's toe is not feeling any better. She's having a bit of pain, so we're just gonna check if it's broken or not. Poor Christiana.
Hurts very much. I don't know if it's just really bad. When this happened? Yesterday. You moving? It hurts. Hurting. But you still... oh yeah, okay. Don't push it. Excuse me. So I need to take an X-ray to see if it is in fact broken or not, and I'm waiting for the radiologist to come.
Which is 20 minutes away. They called him and he's on his way now. She's got some ice now on her toe. Take off. It does look swollen. Let me just focus. Oh, Christiana is going on the wheelchair. She's about to take an X-ray. Yeah. Alright. Let's have a look.
Fortunately, there is no broken inside, just like my
Yes.
This is the blood accumulation. Okay, so it's just
Hematome. Hematome, it means like the blood clotting inside due to the trauma, but there's no fracture, there's no bone infected, there's no bone problem inside. Only the muscle and also the joint inside. It's swollen, it makes you hard to move for now.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Can I ask you to go swimming first? Okay, just to make sure that
I think we want to see the manta rays. Let's go swimming.
Yeah, also thank you.
Okay guys, thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you. Alright, and we're leaving with this beautiful sunset, huh? Not bad. And she's taking the X-ray with her. Look at look at this beautiful sky. Oh. So after going to the hospital, really happy. Christiana's toe is not broken. Tomorrow we're doing something insanely crazy, which you will see on the next video. So for now, that's all. Thanks for watching,
And don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye.